Good morning. So over here in the shop and raining out, another rainy day. And we've gotten quite a bit in the last week, probably close to 5 inches. So anyway, this is always a fun project or fun things to do. We're going to slip this engine back in this old Chevy pickup, and while it may not look like much and it's kind of rough, it's got a few things that I really like. And one is the fact that, that's right, it's got a 4-speed. And this engine needed rebuilt, new clutch, pressure plate, flex plate, cam, etc., etc. But the little 305, it should be just fine. And the thing I like about this old girl is this is a solid and nice and non-rusty cab, as we find up here in Nebraska. This floor is fine. The rockers are good. Cab corners, it's going to need cab corners. The lower supports are even good, the front supports. So while she looks a little tough and a little rough, it's under a 100,000 mile truck. It's sat for years. 373 gear, 4-speed. Nice little rig. So we'll see how far we get, but this is what we're doing today. We'll get this slipped back in here, and who knows, maybe we'll get her running. So have a nice day.